A very good morning to all of you. Welcome to your English class. Today we will start a new portion from your grammatical section. Okay, so let's start. I will not tell you what is it. So we should start with two examples first. First one, learn the rules and write them in your notebook. And second sentence, I was absent because I was ill. Now look at the construction of these two sentences. First one, learn the rules. Okay, that one section, and next section will be write them in your notebook. Now just try to take these two sections of that sentence. First one, learn the rules. It is very clear. It is independent. Okay, it is not dependent on others, so that's why it is main clause or independent clause. Next one, write them in your notebook. If I'll tell, then you write them in your notebook. That meaning and sense is completely clear, so that's why it is also main clause or independent clause. Okay, and these two sections, these two clauses have been joined with a word. You can see here, that is, what is it? Then it is actually joined the two section, two clauses or two sentences. That's why it has been called linker. Okay, so we have got something for today's topic. That is what? That is linker actually. Next one we will get that I was absent. It is one. And next one, I was ill. Now here you will get that I was absent. It is clear. I was absent. It is clear. That's why it is main clause. But I was ill. It is not clear because it is fully dependent on the first part. That's why it is subordinate clause. So here we will get one linker also. Okay. Here we will get one linker. But the case is that these two linkers are different. These two linkers are different. Okay. What for? That's why we will discuss today's lesson linker. We will discuss today linker. Okay. As you know, linker is basically divided into two parts. Okay. They are classified into two broad categories. What are they? First one will be coordinating. Okay. First one will be coordinating linker and next one will be subordinating linker. Now the case is that if you have some of the confusion regarding linker, what will be their status? I mean, are they coordinating linker or are they subordinate linker? For that, today's lesson is much more important for you. Now the case is that here you can see two type of linker I have coded here. First one and next one because. Okay, and you can see both these two linkers have joined. Okay, two sentences or two clauses. But what for they have been called coordinating and subordinating? Just make it clear. First one, learn the rules and write them in your notebook. Here you can see both are MC. That means main clauses. They are the independent clauses. So whenever any other linker will join two or more main clauses or independent clauses, okay, they are not dependent over others, that is actually coordinating linker. Coordinating linker means they will play the role of a coordinator. Okay, coordinator you have seen in your school. Okay, he plays some important role, having some connection with principal, even the teachers. So even many other principles are there. So here actually that linker will play the role of a coordinator. And mind it, both will be MC, means main clause. But subordinating linker means here one main clause will be there. The linker which joins at least one main clause and more than one subordinate clause will be there also. Okay, so at least one main clause will be there, independent clause, and another will be dependent clause. Here subordinate clause means it is dependent clause, and one dependent linker will be there, that is because. So some of the linker will be subordinating linker because subordinating clause will be there. Subordinating linker means one subordinating clause means dependent clause will be present in that sentence. That sentence is fully dependent over the previous part, main clause. That's why it is subordinating linker. Is it clear now? Now today we will discuss about coordinate linker. Subordinate linker we will discuss in my next video. So let's go. Now first I will explain here where and will be used. Basically coordinate linker will be, just a minute, I am erasing here. Basically coordinating linker will stand for this code, fanboys. Okay, now fanboys, here F stands for, A stands for and, N stands for nor, B stands for but, O stands for or, Y stands for yet, and A stands for so. Okay, basically all these are there, and there are another also, neither nor, not only, but also. Okay, then we will get either or, and or, but, all there already present. So we will discuss coordinate linker today with these examples. Basically and, or, and but. Okay, we will discuss because you will get much more questions regarding these three examples. So first one we will go for first example, just as I have given first example. What is that? That learn. Okay, we are taking another one. Good marks. Now here you will get one. He is good in studies and obtains good marks. Now here you will get one part. He is good in studies and he obtains good marks. Suppose he obtains good marks. Now look at these two parts of sentence. They are clauses and they are fully independent. They are not dependent over others. So that's why you may call it is main clause. It is also main clause. And whenever two main clauses will be joined and one statement simply adds to the another statement, then and will come. Okay, very easy. So one statement whenever adds another statement with it, with some linker, that is there and will be used. Mind it. It will be, both will be positive. It may be both will be negative. Suppose he is poor in study and doesn't score good marks. Both are negative. So whenever both will be negative or both will be positive statement, then if you want to add these statements, then and will come. Okay, very easy. Next one, but suppose one example I am taking. Mohit is slow, but he is hard-working child. But he is a hard-working child. Now here you will get first one, Mohit is slow, and next one here we will get he is a hard-working child. Now here in the two sentences, sorry, two part of clauses, here you can see Mohit is slow. It is what? It is main clause. Actually it is main clause because it is independent. Another one, he is a hard-working child. Here you can see it is actually main clause. But the case is that both type of clauses are different in their sense. First one, Mohit is slow, it is the sense of negativity of Mohit. Okay, it is a negative impact. But here he is a hard-working child, it is a positive impact. So it is the positivity of Rohit, it is the negativity of Rohit. So whenever two contrasting ideas will be there, Okay, whenever two contrasting ideas will be there, that means contrasting means opposite idea. Here Mohit is slow, but he is a hardworking child. Hardworking child is the positivity of Mohit. So whenever you will get two opposite ideas, two opposite what statement, then which one will come to join? That is but. So but will join all the time two contrasting or two opposite ideas or statements. Okay. It may be there, previous one will be positive, next one will be negative, or previous one will be negative, next one will be positive. But if both will be positive, both will be negative, then and will come. Okay? So and means both positive, both negative will be joined, but means one negative, one positive, or one positive with one negative, then but. Okay? Suppose Ram is good in studies. Okay, but his behavior is not so well. So his behavior is not so well is negative, and previous one is good in study. So whenever you will join two contrasting or opposite ideas or statement, then but. Now third number, suppose or. Okay. Now look at these statements. First one, I will go or you will come. Okay, now the first one is I will go, obviously it is main clause, fully independent. Next one, you will come, also it is main clause. But the case is that here one linker has been joined. One linker actually joins the two statements. I will go, you will come. So here these two clauses, they are showing some option. Whenever they are showing some option, and you have to choose them. Okay, I will go or you will come. So whenever there will be the options, okay, then or will come. So and or but, all these linkers will join basically main clauses, but they are having some of the difference. The difference I have shown here. And many more are there, like for, nor, then yet. So all these are coordinating linker. Again I am telling coordinating linker means they plays the role of a coordinator between which will join two or more what main clauses or independent clauses. Okay, so it is all about coordinating linker, and in the next video we will discuss about subordinate linker. Okay, thank you for watching.